Hey, what's up guys, Amlan here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna do this unboxing of this OnePlus Bullet wireless set headphone. So this has been a new launch for OnePlus. So as you can see, the model says OnePlus wireless Bullet C. The color is blue. I always wanted to go for the black color, but since this was not available on Amazon, I had to go for the blue color. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. But before that, if you kinda keep enjoying this content, give this video a thumbs up, and also for more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And now let's get right into the video. So as you can see guys, this is the box itself, and it's a sealed box. The price of this on Amazon is 1999. So taking a look at the back of the box, we get to see some of the features which says rapid charge, long battery life, magnetic controls, and it's waterproof, quick switch option. We're gonna test that, and also low latency mode. And as you can see, it says OnePlus Bullet wireless set headphones. So let's just do the unboxing. It's a sealed box, so this is the box guys. So let me just open the box. Let's see how we can open this. Okay, so from bottom of the box we get to pull this tray, and let's see what do we get in the box. So as you can see, this is not the earphone guys, this is just a sticker. So let's see. So the back side, as you can see, this is the earphone guys. So we're gonna take a look at this earphone later on. First, let's see what else do we get in the box. So there's a pamphlet, it looks like. Yeah, so it says user guide. So let's just open it and let's see what do we get. Okay, so this is the cable guys. As you can see, this is the cable with fast charging. So apart from that, we get, okay, so this is a red cable club sticker guys. Also we got some extra ear tips. So that's all we get in the box. So let's skip all these things aside and let us take a look at the headphones itself. So as you can see, it's taped. So let me just remove the tape and let me take out the headphones. So as you can see guys, this is OnePlus Bullet set headphones. It's a wireless headphones, and let's take a look here. So as you can see, it says the OnePlus branding, and also as you can see, this is the switch through which you can change up the device if your earphone is connected to multiple devices. So apart from that, we have a mic here, plus and minus for volume controls, and mic for taking and ending calls. Also these are the earbuds. As you can see, these are magnetic earbuds, and these are glossy plastic guys. So this does not look cheap, but these are glossy plastic. So what we're gonna do, I just have a smartphone here. So as you can see, I have a smartphone. So we're gonna try to pair this OnePlus headphones with my smartphone. So the pairing process is pretty simple guys. As you can see, these are magnetic buds. So in order to pair this to your smartphone, you just need to open this like that, and just like that, it would see that it's connected. So you just need to open it and it would automatically get connected. And also at the same time, if you need to disconnect these earphones, so you just need to close it, and at the same time you can see these are not connected. So again, these are open and it would automatically get connected, and just close it, it's not connected. So then again, this was just a short video showing you guys the unboxing and quick overview for this OnePlus Bullet wireless Z earphones. Also I'm using this Realme wireless buds earphone. As you can see, these are Realme buds wireless, and also I just bought this OnePlus earphones. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a comparison video between these two earphones in terms of sound quality, in terms of price and other aspects. Let me know in the comment down section if you want to see the comparison video between these two earphones. I will definitely try to make a separate video that. Then again, this video was just showing you guys the unboxing and what exactly do you get in the retail packaging. So if you guys can like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and also till now if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So then again, you guys have a good day. Bye bye.